Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming your phone and SIM support the carrier's 5G bands. That matters because capped bands limit speeds. Once done, pick an unlimited plan that explicitly allows 5G and avoids deprioritization during congestion. Make sure you install the carrier profile and update the phone OS. These enable network features and correct band handling. You'll also insert the SIM or eSIM and reboot. That first activation sequence gets you connected and paves the way for optimized performance. You now optimize how your phone uses 5G for speed and efficiency. First, set network mode to 5G auto so the device shifts between 5G and LTE based on signal and battery. This preserves power while keeping top speed when needed. Next, configure APN or carrier app settings for tethering and VoLTE if required, because incorrect APNs can block features. Also run a few speed tests and check carrier dashboards regularly to spot throttling or band steering. Those checks guide further tweaks. You finish by setting up tethering and monitoring performance in real conditions. Configure your mobile hotspot with a strong WPA2 or WPA3 password and a sensible device limit so tethered devices don't eat the connection. Then observe real-world speeds and latency while using streaming, gaming, or uploads. These tests show whether you're on millimeter wave, mid-band, or low-band 5G and why performance varies. If things fail, try restarting the phone, reprovisioning the SIM or switching bands. And if that doesn't fix it, contact carrier support for a network-side trace.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.